Coffee lovers, get ready. 2025 brings some of the best espresso machines yet. Whether you're crafting cafe-quality drinks at home, dialing in custom temperature control, or brewing espresso on the go, these machines deliver rich flavor, perfect crema, and barista-level precision. If you're looking for the best espresso machine for your lifestyle, this breakdown will help you find the perfect match. Let's jump in. Let's kick things off with the Breville Bambino Plus, one of the most compact and efficient espresso machines on the market today. What makes this machine stand out is its 3-second heat-up time. Yes, you heard that right. No more waiting around for water to reach the perfect temperature. It comes equipped with an automatic steam wand, letting you create perfect microfoam for cappuccinos and lattes effortlessly. With a precise 54mm portafilter and pre-infusion technology, this machine ensures even extraction and maximum flavor in every shot. Who's it for? If you want barista-quality espresso but don't have a ton of counter space, or if you hate waiting for your machine to heat up, the Bambino Plus is a top-tier choice that outshines competitors in speed and efficiency. Next up, for coffee enthusiasts who love control over their brew, the HIBREW H10B is an incredible option. With a 51mm brewing system, this machine lets you adjust temperature and cup volume at will, making it ideal for those who want total customization over their espresso. The intelligent display screen and built-in pressure gauge provide real-time brewing data, ensuring every shot is perfectly balanced. And thanks to its durable stainless steel body, it offers long-lasting performance and a professional-grade look. If you want a machine that gives you the ability to fine-tune every espresso shot, the HIBREW H10B stands out in the market for its customization features. For those who love fresh ground coffee but want a hassle-free brewing experience, the Tchibo automatic espresso and coffee machine is a game changer. Unlike many espresso machines that rely on pods, this one features a built-in grinder, meaning you can brew fresh ground espresso without needing pre-packaged capsules. With its one-touch brewing system, you get cafe-quality espresso and coffee with zero hassle, and its compact design ensures it doesn't take up excessive counter space. Who's it for? Busy coffee lovers who want barista-style drinks without dealing with pods or complicated settings. This machine dominates the market for simplicity and built-in grinding convenience. Now, if you're looking for an affordable espresso machine that doesn't skimp on power, the CASABREWS CM5418 is one to consider. Built with a powerful 20-bar pressure system, it extracts full-bodied espresso with rich crema, rivaling high-end machines at a fraction of the cost. The steam milk frother lets you whip up lattes, macchiatos, and cappuccinos, and its 34-ounce removable water tank ensures easy refilling without stopping your workflow. If you want a great value machine that delivers strong espresso and solid frothing capabilities, the CASABREWS CM5418 is one of the best budget-friendly options available. Finally, for espresso lovers on the move, the OutIn Nano portable electric espresso machine brings barista-quality coffee wherever you go. This compact device heats water in just 3 to 4 minutes, so you can brew a 20-bar pressure espresso shot without needing a full coffee setup. It's compatible with NS capsules and ground coffee, making it versatile for brewing on the road, at the office, or even while camping. Designed for travelers, campers, and busy professionals, this portable espresso machine stands out in the market for its mobility and efficiency. Whether you need a fast-heating, professional-grade espresso machine, a pod-free grinder, or a travel-ready coffee maker, 2025 offers incredible choices for every lifestyle. Which espresso machine fits your coffee routine best? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for full details on these top espresso makers.